Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making one of my more well-known dishes in my house. I make a really good meatloaf. It has barbecue sauce, ketchup, and has a really yummy glaze on top. So the first thing we're going to add to our bowl is 1.5 pounds of ground beef. We have our oven set for 375. It's already been preheated. I'm going to add about half a cup of breadcrumbs. I've got about 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Give it some nice flavoring. We're going to add 1 egg. And in my drawer, I have one of my cute little scrapers that we're going to use. One of my son's favorite scrapers is Forky. Put about, it's a 1/4 cup of ketchup and about a 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce in there. And then we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all up, and it's going to go in the oven in my stoneware loaf pan. And it's going to cook for about an hour, and then we're going to add a glaze to the top of it, and then it's going to cook for 10 more minutes. And it is delicious. I know one of my friends comes over my house every time that I make this. So we're going to mix it all up so it's all nice and gooey. I already took off my rings so I don't get all the meat and gunk stuck in everything. Very important when you're mixing ground beef to have nice, clean, dry hands. So it's all mixed up real good, really squishy. I'm going to add it to our pan, wash my hands, and then stick it in the oven. It's cook for about an hour, and I can almost guarantee that there is not going to be any leftovers when this is done. Just wash my hands real quick because I am not sticking my hands in the oven with ground beef all over them. Up real good. And then we will get this in the oven. Like I said, it's going to cook for an hour, and then in a little bit I will get the glaze ready to go. And then when I pull it out of the oven, we can get the glaze on top and then pop it back in the oven. Now we're going to make our glaze for the meatloaf. So in this container here, I have a mixture of ketchup and barbecue sauce. I'm going to add about a quarter of a cup of brown sugar. About a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then we're going to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And then we're going to mix it all up, and then we're going to brush it on the meatloaf that I just pulled out of the oven. Yeah, and it's going to be a delicious, yummy glaze, right? Yeah, and we're going to have that with baked potatoes that I've been baking in the oven since I've had the meatloaf in. Makes it easier to cook them all at the same time, right? Yeah? Yeah. Thank you, Johnny.
Your fans really like this video.
Oh, yeah?
And I keep saying,
And you keep saying, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so we melted the barbecue, got our barbecue sauce, brown sugar, ketchup, lemon juice mixture. It's all melted down, mixing it all up. And we're going to put it right on top of the meatloaf.
It's going to be a sauce.
It's going to be a sauce, yes. I'm going to brush it right on top. Once I pull the meatloaf out of the oven, then I drain all the grease off of it. So it spreads on a lot better. Johnny's going to get down and move since I need to put this in the oven for another 10 minutes.
And I have to be careful.
You have to be careful because it's super duper hot. Put this in the oven.
The meatloaf got just cooked. But we need the sauce to be cooked even more.
Alright, and in about 10 minutes, it is going to be done, and it's going to be awesome. Alright, so the timer just went off. It is now time to pull out our super awesome barbecue glazed meatloaf out of the oven. It is delicious. And that's what we got. And it will be gone in about 10 minutes. Have a good day.